So Sulzer is a global pump manufacturer. So we provide industrial pumps to a number of sectors. The Leeds site, became specifically focused on oil and gas in the past, but has since expanded our product range based on what customers are asking for. There's not many like Sulzer. Left as a manufacturing site that feels like a family when you're here. The values when working with MSC were critical to us, when we're selecting a supplier. Innovation, as I mentioned, is key. We want to continually develop as processes to make those quicker, to make them more efficient, to improve quality, to do things safely. So we needed a supplier that could join us and work with us to develop these processes rather than just give us what we're asking for. Consolidation's been a big factor on why we went with MSC as a supplier. So we were going and spending our time trying to resolve all these problems, trying to develop relationships and with other suppliers, trying to develop and optimise processes internally as much as we could, but it would have taken a lot longer. We would have had to use more of our internal resource to do it. Potentially we wouldn't have seen some of the savings that we've seen without having the support network that MSC have brought in and provided to us.
For a company like Sulzer, it's imperative that they have their industrial consumables on site to hand, and that's basically the problem that our vending solution solves. Sulzer's main objectives over the next couple of years are growth and moving into new markets, and that's where we can align quite nicely with that, because not only do we optimise the jobs that are already in place here at Sulzer, but what we really want to help with as well is the MPI work that comes through the front door, and the earlier that we can be involved with that, working in collaboration with them, is going to get the best results, and it's really our differentiator in the marketplace.
We want to be seen as the go-to supplier for the products that we sell, not only for the product but also for our values in customer experience. And one of the reasons we've partnered with MSC is to use their experience on the product outside on a broader market, specifically around the machining tool products. If we can reduce costs and reduce our lead times, then obviously that is transferred to our customers.
So for existing products where we need to optimise processes that we currently have, the relationship has been that the data we get from the vending machines, the data we get from consumable usage, we feed that back in through Stuart and Oliver and MSC. That information then allows us to target, right, we've got potential savings in these locations, we use a lot of spend on these items. MSC, what could you do to help reduce the total cost, reduce the time? So for optimising those processes, that's been great as a relationship. Then we've got the technical support side. So for existing processes, we've always had a problem with X. Can you come in and see what you can do to reduce the time? And then for new processes, it's been a case of, right, we've got this product coming up. MSC, this is the new range. We don't really have any experience on this. What would you suggest? How can you help us to develop this product range? So sort of three elements there that all feed in our relationship with MSC for new products and optimising what we've already got. The relationship with MSC going forward is continuing and improving on what we're already doing. So looking for further opportunities to consolidate and optimise our equipment, our tooling, our consumables, continuing to work on the processes where we've got new products or we've got existing processes that need to be developed with the technical resource at MSC, and building that relationship and becoming even stronger. There's a lot of opportunities still to look at, calibration, grinding equipment that we're currently working on, change out of inserts and consumables in general, and I'm confident that we'll get where we need to be to support the business goal of optimising processes by working together.